It's not me.
This name run up and down.
Yeah.
And I run down, you know, run up and down.
My granny gave me the name. I run now.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
All the fast car, you know?
It's a brotherly love.
Yeah, man, that's how we keep the thing, man. We keep it close, you know? Because I want team, I say, you know?
Yeah.
We have the team that we brother love was saying, you see?
Yeah, man.
Big up all of the door and them, man.
Wow,
And we have the wow chef.
Yeah, man, like
man,
magic, you know, one family same way, you know. See, one family
My
same way.
teammate, man.
Yeah.
A wicked forward, you know?
Yeah.
So I never just pass the ball, man. But too far, watch it.
4 far.
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
Too forward, man.
Yeah, man.
Delgado.
Yeah,
You
man.
get me? The wow chef.
Yeah.
Blazing and the fast car. Who want a better two forward?
Yeah.
And the genius in the midfield.
Midfield, yeah, man.
He's in double central.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Nothing like that beat that
Chip them over.
Yeah.
We kill any team, man. That's why we say one team, dream team.
One
You
family.
see, one family, one love.
Yeah, man.
You see, one heart.
One
That we
destiny.
deal with, one destiny.
Straight.
Yeah.
You see, to the world, you know.
Straight.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks
We
every
give
time.
thanks every time.
Straight.
You see, because that's how things set, you know. Heart of love.
After love. So today we have some kickers,
Mm-hmm.
trainers.
Why, them DK,
Some say crep.
man.
Yes, I see them here.
My dream team.
So them here now are from
Team.
Rima Unknown.
Rima unknown.
So this is from Rima Unknown from the US. Let me say now one of the Ali fast car.
Yeah.
And which color is the red one?
The red one, the olive one.
So Ali, that is from Rima Unknown.
Rima unknown.
Live in the
So
US.
I say, you know, my brother is still in the love of it. You see?
Yeah, my brother, man.
You see, my brother
Just
just go and
nice,
pick up
man.
yourself, you know. You see me, I say,
Yeah.
You
much
see,
love for you
nice,
today, you
man.
see? We're going to cherish it, you know, because you don't know we beat our style already, you know.
Yeah,
See,
yeah.
well
man.
clean and out, you see?
And the color too, because he's a man, right?
Red and white, you know. Boys Stone color like Manchester United.
Yeah.
You see?
Big
So-
sign.
So you don't say unknown. Rima unknown. You know your Boys Stone fans and
Straight up, good man.
likewise
Man,
Manchester
man,
United.
you fans, you know.
Yeah.
Says
Because I love pressure, but you know. Like genius, you know. When they win them love.
big up
You know?
yourself, you know.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
So,
Much love, you know. You see?
Yeah, man.
I mean, your food basket never empty.
Never.
You see?
alright then, so
Is it?
and we have Boom run at the work side, so we are going at the work side.
Yeah, give Boom.
We got Boom female.
I have tough chops,
Is
you
it
know.
me?
I collect this, that's how I'm a brother.
And you have this for Ali brother, tough truck. When you see on the video, see them
Marvin,
eat the
brother.
food.
Yeah.
When
Yeah,
they say I
Marvin,
eat the
brother.
food, they know how good that them call him.
Yeah.
You get me? It's a good, it's a great
AKA
man.
government.
Yeah, man.
It's a great
Alright,
man.
so give thanks. Unknown from Rima.
Unknown from Rima, my
Live in
brother.
the US.
You see, living in the US.
Holy for blessings and holy
Holy
for
for
thanks. So
blessings.
big up
All the
yourself.
man know, all the respect.
Yeah, so give thanks to our donors. So back to the so back to the Vogue chef.
Yeah, man, we have a lot of goodies today, take care, you know.
Yeah, so now what we have in the kitchen today.
You know, we're a cook,
Zaga, zaga.
run down, we're a cook, man.
Alright.
Run them down, cause I'm just bust up them net, you know, cause you see, that's what I deal with today.
Today we have rundown and banana and dumpling.
You know,
And see have the coconut there.
yeah, for going on.
run down away with salt mackerel, right?
Mackerel,
Right, yeah, we have another rental, the soft one.
Soft, yeah.
Soft, yeah, this is a rental, you know.
Yeah.
So give me back, yeah, give me back.
So we're gonna big up Karen Brown.
So we have this
Karen Brown.
Karen Brown. Bless the love for the me there, look.
Yeah.
Now keep it running, you know. You see, fast.
Yeah.
You see, because in a match, I choke match. You have to win the match. For you.
Half win the match.
You see, because you make sure you eat something.
You must see that.
Is it-
Run down, we have to have a coconut night.
Yeah.
So the coconut have to go down like custard.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
custard, you know.
So today one I got different then from the others.
Yeah.
So today gonna be a special rundown.
Man, you know, we spend a lot of time on that one, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Over there, I must spend by around them.
Yeah.
Come keep fast.
You are bought them around so I do it. With that weed.
Baby, I saw agree.
Yeah.
See?
So what is that mackerel level? So I go on.
Yeah.
I'll show you one magic.
Yeah, but the runners are going.
That one boy.
They go on boy, low down.
Yeah. So we have Era look up on the base.
So I make this boil out, wash off again and put it in a pot again and boil out
I
again.
give 2 boys.
You have to get out the salt and everything out there.
Yeah.
You see,
So I'm gonna see when it's
when it's
finished.
finished, you can see coconut milk will come out there.
Just mackerel face.
You see, like I say, man, eat you. You have to eat it today. Because you see, you have to eat.
Yeah man, so big up yourself, Karen Brown from
Karen
the US.
Brown from the US. You see, blessed
provide
love for the
this
meal. You know, we have to give thanks to every donor in the world who are doing the meal. We keep it going each day. You see, so you keep it stronger each day. Give thanks and blessings to the world.
Yeah, every time.
So, yeah, man.
Karen Brown.
Bless them
Enough
up.
love, enough respect. No, can I blend them? Great, I will get
Now,
them.
we're going to greater than it. I'm going to see, so we're going to see that. Because I'm blending everything.
Yeah, great.
Yes, yes.
I know we now in a pressure cooker.
We have pressure cooker now too.
Yeah.
So,
I do some axe
I want a
here.
blender. I want a blender. Blender bun up and around too hot. The food are cooking up. You see, now that's what get it for do.
Yeah, yeah.
Work it out, but so I make sure I tell you from now.
Alright then, so
You see?
alright so we have two big bags.
Yeah.
One rice
I want
and one flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. See them so move the box so you can see it clear.
Let me get some plate too.
Yeah, so we get some plate from Makeup by Michelle.
Make up by Michelle.
Yeah, that meant to come with the barrel as well. So.
Yeah, give
Makeup by
thanks.
Michelle.
Give
So
thanks,
you can
make up by
also-
Michelle. This make your job more easier.
You can also use it for the elderly
You
then.
can use it for the L and
And
them
some for the
and cover it up more proper. You see? We're not for buying nothing for wrap, nothing.
Yeah.
We have to give thanks. Make up by Michelle.
Half of them I use Nigeria.
Yeah, you know.
And now we have the flour and the rice from Upper Room International Ministry. You know, Far Rockaway, New York. Yeah, so them give.
Far Rockaway, New York.
Yeah, so them give
You
it.
see?
So must
City
give.
of New York.
So must give the elderly them £10 each.
Yeah?
Must give it out and give £10 each to the elderly them. You know,
Yeah,
the
man.
less fortunate people them. So we give them £10 each, and
It's a
that is,
great honor.
and that is from
Blessing.
Upper Room International Ministry, Far Rockaway, New York.
Far Rockaway,
New York.
Yeah.
New York.
Yeah.
Upper World Ministry.
Yeah, Upper Room
Upper Room
Ministry.
International Ministry.
International.
Mm-hmm.
Blessing love. Because the elder them will get something where we have an issue.
Yeah.
Rice and flour. I just wait for us to start the carving Peter and them. You see?
I know some rice and flour, you know.
Give
So,
thanks.
so big up yourself, man. Upper Room
Upper
International
Room International.
Ministry. You know, Far Rockaway,
Far Rockaway,
New York
New
City.
York City.
Boy, place twice.
Twice.
New York.
New York.
Twice.
Finland. Nah, they put Finland in
No, man. We can't about England and Canada.
Yeah.
And as I talk about ministry, I always big up SOW Soul Ministry.
SOW.
Soul Ministry from Maryland.
From Maryland.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah,
not
man.
fluff enough.
No
I
flow,
would
man,
have to big
respect.
them up, you know.
Is it really? Is it? Make sure to be safe.
Yeah.
Flour stuff.
Keep yourself safe. Is it? Because you don't know the corona thing. Go on. Is it? Go on, hold it. And show them when how many people live
Yeah,
their
yeah,
life.
yeah. Stop worrying and go on, go on.
Is it?
Nice.
So keep safe.
Every
so we
time.
can meet
Yeah,
in real life.
SOW Ministry, Maryland, you know.
Ministry.
Stay safe. Blessings and give thanks every
man,
time
no
for your
flow,
support.
Yeah, man.
You know, so see there, so we have another word for the 10 pound each for the elderlies.
Yeah.
You know, so big up
It's a great
yourself.
look.
And much thanks from Upper Room International Ministry from Rockaway, New York.
Yeah, man, give thanks.
You know,
Every time.
and blessing Karen Brown for the dream team run down, you know. You know, well, them gonna run up.
Yeah, man. Run up.
Run up, so right now it name run up and
Run
down.
up it name, run up.
No, run up and down.
Run up and down.
Yeah.
A long time we don't play all play some leather and so that
Yeah.
keep run up and
Yeah,
yeah, man.
run up and down. Alright then. So,
Blessing love to the world, you know.
yeah.
Give thanks to the world.
You know how you come circle, you know. Yeah man. Ever humble boom, you know. Not with too many words to say. I always like give the people them just smile. Boom. Yeah, that me realize.
Big up to all the doing and them, yeah.
Yeah. I'm sad them man ever smile. I just say him face set people. Always.
Some of them there man left on the work, you see me there I go perform the work, you see me there.
Yeah.
Try to get something on my head, you see me there.
Alright then, learn something. We have our shoes for you still. Some people call it crepe, some call it trainers. You see me? And we name from unknown, Rima man, unknown Rima man. We living in the US, you know? It's an unknown Rima man.
Unknown, blessed and thanks, yeah? Yeah, black crepe there, yeah. Love that.
So it's an unknown Rima man.
Yeah.
You see me? I will give thanks to that every time. You know,
Yeah
see
man, we
there.
love that man, blessed and known. You see me there,
Yeah.
respect and thanks, you see me there.
Cheers.
Yeah man, there I go and perform the work.
It's a your size.
Yeah man, yeah.
Yeah, see there.
Alright.
Big up yourself and
Yeah,
give
man,
thanks
love that.
unknown.
Thanks unknown, yeah.
Unknown Rima
Love
man.
that, yeah.
We living in the US.
Yeah.
Yeah,
One
every
dream
time.
team for life.
Right,
Yeah, big up all the doing and them over the world. Love you know.
straight. Yeah man, I first time really hear boom say many words, you know.
Say go for I get 15, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Time we tell you, yeah.
Alright, the time we tell. Yeah, so give thanks and big up
Yeah
yourself.
man.
Rima man,
Yeah, man.
unknown, living in the
Unknown,
US. Big up yourself.
Get some cut 3 teeth, you know?
Yeah. I think that piece of bathroom big still. Well big. Yeah, I like that Tyler bathroom. Good choice in it. It's a very good choice in it. Now the stone. Yeah. What name?
I'm gonna say stamp on stone.
Yeah. Next piece of rope on the wall now, be a thing. I got tile the wall coming as well too. All the side out you see there, I got tile out.
No, that's it. Level that foot.
Good, alright. That's the same wood, alright.
That is, you can hold a beard later. Yeah man. You can hold a beard later. So that means I'm go home and have a beard again.
My boat.
Just make one beard and done. Master builder and at his best. Zaga Zaga Zo.
Yeah, man.
See there? Where so the run up and down ready?
Yeah, man, run up on them, right? Raw spice out there.
Run up and down, so the dumpling them ready. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yes, man.
Whoa, whoa.
They're on the ground, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, man, they're on the ground, I'll spice for one mackerel, you know?
yeah.
Yes, so Zaga Zaga Zo, the run up and down, I deal with it, you know? Yeah, man, you see?
The run up and down.
Yeah, man, you see that?
Zaga Zaga do the run up and down.
Zaga Zaga run up and down, for one mackerel, I can't go, you know?
Yeah. So the salt mackerel there, and show more.
Yeah, man, you see the mackerel? You see this? Next to the national dish, because easy thing we cook, you know?
Yeah.
Mackerel, you know? Yeah, man, you drop a butter bean and do it, you know? Yeah, man. Man, you can listen like you.
Yeah, that me there.
So they say the run up and down.
Run up and down there. My God.
Run up and down.
That's there.
Yeah.
The whole of the coconut custard that they're on it, you know, see there? The whole of the coconut custard. Yeah, man, you see me, I say, look at the gravy, look. You see? Yeah, man, so, you see me, I say?
Run up and down.
Yeah.
Story. When you think of story up and down.
Yeah, man, okay.
Boy, take out the light.
Karen Brown, big up yourself. From the US. Jeez, such a steam.
Karen Brown from the US, you know, enough love and respect, you know.
Pure steam.
And then, Karen Brown from the US, you know.
Yeah, man, Karen Brown from the
Karen
US.
Brown from the US.
Yeah.
Chocolate, you know.
Proper thing.
Coconut milk.
I wonder if you can smell it. If you can smell it, Karen,
Yeah, you see?
you can smell the coconut.
Yes, man, see the Karen. The Karen, watch it. Watch it, you can smell everything, Karen. Just come to Jamaica, man. We just need it this way anytime, man. Run up and down, you know.
Run up and down.
Yeah, we just need it this way anytime, yeah. Man.
Make all the dumpling them different.
Yeah, man.
So dumping them different.
Yeah, them fat.
Jeez.
So the rundowns.
Run up and down session.
Run up
right
and
now.
down.
So it's mackerel run down. So now the mackerel called run up and down. It's not no run down. It's run up and down.
I put run up and down with you. I don't want to put run down. If they can find everything, just run down. When I run up and down,
Yeah.
just run up and down, so now stay one place, it can't ball.
Yeah.
You see me, I say? Yeah. One team, dream team, you know?
Yeah, man, all the thing.
Yeah, man, New York, Toronto, England, yeah, man, now they fought Switzerland and them places still, you know? France, Italy. Yeah, man, I don't know this everything starts from, you know?
Whole
Yeah,
place.
man, twice, you know?
Twice.
Yeah, man. So everything go on now, you know, up on the box them. Them can't ball 4 or 5 flour. I eat that.
So when they run up and down, I go up on the dumpling you know. With the banana and the ray and the cherry.
It's a look up the white yam.
Right, yeah, nice yam that you know.
Nice yam. You see? Boy, wait a minute.
Run up and down.
It's not me.
This name run up and down. And I run down, you know, run up and down.
I don't know, you know.
Run up and down here, man.
Right away.
Boy, I should have something leaking and there's something that run out.
What, Ali?
This the drop of this.
That can leave the man run out the water, soap on them.
Right, man. Right, you know?
you know. Give thanks and praise, you know. Yeah, man. You know. Real.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.